Hey guys, this is Emily and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My passion is to help people achieve an amazing love life, including you, who are watching this video right now. If you're watching this video, chances are you want your boyfriend, girlfriend, or spouse to message you more. If that's correct, then you're in the right place. Before I give you the tips and ways to solve your problem, I first want to go in depth about your situation. Knowing the root why you aren't satisfied how your partner texts you is as important as knowing the solution to fix it. When we go in depth, we will soon realize that your partner not texting you much is not the cause of the problem. In fact, it's just the surface level of the problem. The way you feel when you don't get many messages from your partner is the result of the meaning you give to that event. You probably get a bit confused here, right? Don't worry. That's why I'm here to help you. Let me explain it to you. The meaning you put on your partner's action, which is he or she doesn't text you that often, is what creates the feeling of dissatisfaction in you. Now, we don't know the actual reasons why your partner doesn't text you as often as you would like to. However, you have certain thoughts and beliefs when your partner replies to your message late, or when they don't initially message you often. Perhaps you think that they don't think about you that often, or they don't care about you. It's hard to think that our partners don't care much about us. That's why you want your partner to text you more, so that you would feel that he or she cares more about you. The core of the problem is that when your partner texts you less, you associate it as your partner cares less about you. And by them texting you more, you then feel that your partner cares more about you. This is the root of the unsatisfied feeling you have right now. It's not because your partner texts you less, but rather their frequency of texting makes you feel that they don't care about you. Your partner texts you not often or replies to your message late doesn't necessarily mean that he or she loves and cares about you less. Maybe your partner is not a texter. They like to say things and wait until they see you in person to share it with you. Or maybe he or she is very focused when it comes to work. When they at their workplace, they barely check their phone. There are hundreds of possibilities why your partner doesn't text you often. To know the actual why and to save your time, politely address your concern and ask your partner the reason why. So, I just showed you a different way of looking at your situation. In fact, the right and more healthy way of looking at it. Here are my 2 recommendations to help you feel better and solve your concern about your partner's frequency of texting you. So now, let's check out what are the 2 recommendations I have for you. My first recommendation to you is to talk about your expectation to your partner. It's clear that you expect your boyfriend, girlfriend, or spouse to text you more often. However, your partner probably has no idea about it, which has led him or her to not text you as often as you would like them to do. Talking about expectations is super important in a relationship. Each individual comes to a relationship with slightly different expectations. Sharing your expectations with your partner and listening to your partner's expectations are essential to ensure that both have their needs met. I made a video here where I go in depth about how to talk about expectations in a relationship effectively so that you and your partner both are satisfied in the relationship. So make sure you check out that video. When you communicate in the right way, your partner will be more than happy to go out of their way to meet your needs. Another way of approaching your situation is to let your partner know how you feel when you receive fewer messages from him or her. Let them know that you associate messaging as caring for the other person. Therefore, when you receive fewer messages from your partner, you feel less attention and love from them. People interpret things differently. For your partner, he or she never thought of that association until you mention it now. Because if they did, they would have texted you more and more. When your partner listens to you opening up and sharing your feelings and see your logic, they are most likely to explain that it was not the intention to make you feel that way. Your partner will adjust their behavior so that you can feel more love and care from them, since all they truly want is you to be happy and loved. These are the two healthy ways you can implement in your relationship so you can have your partner text you more. These two tips I just shared are definitely not manipulation tactics or any mind games to get what you want. Remember that you're in a relationship because you want to create a meaningful partnership. You want to support your partner and receive support from him or her. Never play any mind games or manipulation tactics if you want to create a great relationship. Don't do any passive-aggressive behavior toward your loved one to get what you want. Instead, always communicate and act with love, respect, and honesty in your relationship. I hope you'll find this video helpful and beneficial to your love life. If you like the video, then don't forget to give it a like and also share it with someone that could benefit from it. If you have any questions about other challenges or problems in your relationship, then feel free to let me know in the comment below. I will add them to my list and make future videos just for you. Thank you for your attention. I hope you have a great day. Take care and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.